Well, I decided that I've been messing about with these old chisels long enough and not getting very far, so I've taken the plunge and I've bought myself a set of wood turning tools from Axminster. I paid for everything myself, and this was the so I don't owe anything to anybody, and this is I thought the best value set that I could get. Even this was just shy of £200, but it averages out at about £33 per chisel, which I didn't think was too bad. And they do seem to be very nice. It's nice thick grade steel. It's the cryo steel, so it holds its edge for a lot longer than the normal high-speed steel, and it's a nice set. It sort of suits me. So we've got a scraper, a round gouge, again very thick steel, a nice sized parting tool, and it's one of those where it's wider at the tip than it is on the body, so you can plunge it straight in. It's a good sized roughing out gouge, and a nice long bowl gouge. That's a 3/8 bowl gouge, and also a 3/8 spindle gouge, which is a really nice chisel as well. I may alter the grind on the end slightly to make it a bit more of a fingernail style, but yeah, all in all, I think it's a really good set. So in future videos I'm going to be using these. Okay, just a little update. I've been using this Axminster set on a little project that I've been doing over there. And I've really enjoyed using them. They've been great. The skew chisel is a see that 20mm wide skew, and the blade thickness is quite thick as well. It's about 6mm thick, as is the scraper, and the scraper is also, the round nose scraper is probably, I think that's 18mm. The parting tool is really nice. That's about 18mm in width, and the end is about 3, possibly 4mm there. The skew chisel is a nice shape. I'm not great with the skew, but we'll get used to that. The roughing gouge is a nice tool, and that is you can see that very clear. That is 20. What is that? 27mm across. So it's a good size, and nicely ground and sharp. The bowl gouge, the bowl gouges and the spindle gouges a little bit longer than the others, and that's a 12mm half-inch, and so is that's the bowl gouge with a deeper flute, and the spindle gouge is again 12mm, and a nice thick bit of stock. Yeah, so all in all, I'm really pleased with them, and I bought them with my own money, and so I'm not doing this for any other reason apart from the fact that I like the set. So there you go, the Axminster wood turning set. This is a 6-piece set. It just comes in under £200 in the UK, so about £33 per chisel, which I think is pretty good value. The length of them, The length of 4 of them are 19 inches 48 centimeters, and the bowl gouge and the spindle gouge are 21 inches, which is 53.5 centimeters, which is a nice size. Yeah, so yeah, a good set, and I think worth the money, and I'm glad I've got them now. It's been a while getting there, but now I've got them, and they are really going to be useful. Hope you found that useful, and I'll see you soon on my my next little project, which is a little bird on a stand. So that's coming up soon, but I didn't manage to get it done today, but hopefully it's coming shortly. Okay, thank you.